In conclusion, Snagit will allow you also to share your content to any of the existing TechSmith programs. For example, you can share to screencast.com, you can share to TechSmith Relay, you can also share to the most popular program among the TechSmith family to send your content to Camtasia. What you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to look to the options that you have before sending to Camtasia. So we're going to click the options, and what you'll notice is that you can always save in an individual place every single time, or you can ask Camtasia to prompt you for the file name so that you can determine where you want the image to be saved each and every time. So what we're going to do is we're going to prompt for the file name. This is the most conservative way of being able to send your content to Camtasia. We're then going to click OK. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the share. We're going to go to Camtasia. Then we're going to click on Send to Camtasia. We're then going to be prompted for the file name. We're going to give our file a name. We're then going to click Save. Then the file will open up automatically into Camtasia into the active window that you have. Now, if you don't have an active project open in Camtasia, then it will just open up into a brand new project. You can then add this to your timeline in order to be used inside of your Camtasia project. Now, one other aspect of the share menu is this. We can go to the share area, and if you have shared your Camtasia content with other individuals, you can click the share history. You'll be able to find the links to your shares that you set up through Screencast. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.